connection between the technology and the manufacturing sector was just astounding. It was astounding and encouraging.
The conversation with attendees so far has been pretty good. Actually, the quality of leads that have come through our booth the last year or so have been pretty remarkable. We've had some really good conversations with technology leaders and business owners on the technology that we provide and the service that we provide. A lot of guys have a lot of interest, and I would say the topic's been pretty good.
I would definitely recommend exhibiting at WMTS. The reason is you could capture a lot of our audience in one place in a couple of days, whereas we'd have to travel around and see all those customers.